Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. I, Aura Bhattacharya of class 7A, here to welcome you all in this virtual assembly. As we all know that this pandemic has been our worst nightmares. Hundreds of thousands of people are dying and our classes are being online. But remember friends, schools are not closed. School buildings are closed. Teachers, staffs are working hard more than ever. So, in this condition, we would like to start this assembly with a motivation and inspiring thought. So for this, I call upon the stage Anvesha.
With warm greetings, I am Isha of class 70, here to make the day a good one with an inspiring and igniting thought. Stay strong, things will get better. It might be stormy now, but it can't rain forever. Never let any bad situation bring out the worst in you. Always choose to stay positive. These beautiful lines mean that things get better eventually with time. A pathetic situation cannot last long. So, we should never let such things destroy us and should always choose to stay strong and positive no matter even if the situation is not favorable. With that being said, over to Aura. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you Anvesha for this lovely thought. So now we have Apurva who will speak on imparting education in this pandemic period.
Greetings to everyone. I am Apurva of class 7 and I am going to speak on the topic imparting education during COVID-19. While countries at different points in their COVID-19 infection rates worldwide, there are currently more than 1.2 billion children in 186 countries affected from school closures due to this pandemic. At such a time, the extended lockdown has forced the educational sector in India to immensely evolve. From civil service aspirants to doctoral students, all are engaging in this online learning happening across the spectrum of educational institutions. And this scale is mind-boggling. Tens of thousands of students are taking full use of smartphone screens and laptops as students and teachers enter a new world of virtual lectures, tutorials and assessments. The important aspect is that every student has a different learning style, a level of engagement that usually goes unaddressed in regular offline classes where many students hesitate in interacting with a teacher due to peer competition or domineering students. The online classes offer flexibility for students who thrive in competence. Though online classes have proved to be a distinct source of learning in the devastating pandemic, yet it confronts various obstacles. The most significant of which is unreliable internet access and technological struggle to participate in the digital learning. At the end, it is the online education which saved the educational sector in India from falling into the pit for COVID-19 crisis. Thank you. I wish everyone to be safe and healthy. Now, over to Aura.
Thank you Apurva. As we all know that Sawan month is going on. Sawan is known as the holy month according to the Hindu mythology. So now I call Vaibhav of class 7H to tell you about Sawan.
Good afternoon and Jai Hind. I am Vaibhav of class 7 and I am here to tell you about Sawan. Sawan is the 5th month in the Hindu calendar. It is derived from the Sanskrit word Sravan. This month is the most humid month in the year in South Asia. After the scorching heats of May and June, the freezing days of July and August is the sign of the arrival of the month Sawan, an auspicious month dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is believed that worshipping Lord Shiva during this month brings happiness. This month is one of the holiest months in the Hindu calendar. Its name derived from Nakshatra. In this month, there is happiness and joy all around. This month is very important for entire subcontinent of India as it is connected to the arrival of southwest monsoon. For many Hindus, the month of Sawan is the month of fasting. Hindus fast on Monday for Lord Shiva and there is a huge gathering in Kashi Vishwanath temples and River Ganga and the people are very excited for the fairs and the swings. Thank you and Jai Hind. Now over to Aura.
pandemic, people are dying all over the world and everybody is so sad. So to cheer you up, I call Ishita among us to recite a poem on happiness.
Good morning and Jain. My name is Ishita Jain of class 7A. Today I am going to recite a poem, Infectious Smiles. Smiling is infectious. You catch it like the flu. When someone smiled at me today, I started smiling too. I walked around the corner and someone saw me grin. When he smiled, I realized I had passed it on to him. I thought about the smile and then realized its worth. A single smile like mine could travel round the world. So if you feel a smile begin, don't leave it undetected. Start an epidemic and get the world infected. Thank you. Over to Oda.
I, Aura Bhattacharya, on behalf of class 7th, is signing off now. So, stay home, stay safe and keep learning too. Thank you and Jai Hind.